everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. If you are seeing me for the very first time, let me introduce myself to you guys. Hi, my name is Anjani and this is my YouTube channel where I create content regarding beauty, makeup, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs, cooking, etc here and there, a bit of everything. So today's video, if you haven't already read by the title, today I'm going to be doing a product review, and the product that I'm going to be reviewing today is this one. This is the product that I was so excited to try, but I couldn't get my hands on them, but finally I got my hands. This is the K Beauty Hydrating Foundation. So this is the outer packaging. I have used a couple of K Beauty products in the past, so I'm quite excited because I really have high hopes when it comes to this brand in general. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment in the comment section if you like the video or no, and whatever products I use will be listed in the description box as well, so look for that as well. And yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started. So the first things first, I'm gonna tell you guys exactly about like everything about this product right over here. So on the Nykaa website, it claims that it's a natural hydrating dewy finish product, lightweight and second skin, ultra creamy luxurious texture, locks in the moisture, all day comfortable wear, natural to high buildable coverage, blurs out the imperfection, it's perfect for all skin types. Okay, तो ये जितने भी claims है काफ़ी promising claims लग रहे हैं. And in this particular foundation they have provided avocado butter, mango butter and hydrochloric acid. If you guys don't know about hydrochloric acid, it's something that helps you to pump your skin, थोड़ा lift करने के लिए आपकी skin के लिए help करता है. And there are 20 shades which are categorized into light, medium, tan and deep, if I'm not wrong. Yes, that is that. And it's cruelty free, paraben free, oil and mineral free, and it's totally vegan, and it retails for 1200 rupees. So that's what it claims on the Nykaa website. Okay, so now that we know each and everything of what the product claims, कितने shade ranges है, etc, now we'll move on to the application. वही कारण मैंने आपको इतना zoom in किया ताकि आपको दिख सके कि exactly चल क्या रहा है यहाँ पे. So I'm just going to first pin my hair back because that is a very important step. Okay, so to start off with, obviously I'm going to be using my Cetaphil moisturizer that I use on to day-to-day basis. Moisturizer is very important if you use a foundation, or if you don't even use a foundation, it is very important that you moisturize your face. So that's what I'm going to be doing very quickly. Okay, so moving on to primer. For primer, I am going to be using the Fit Me primer by Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Normal to Dry Primer with Vitamin E. I have used and talked about this primer in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I would have it on the I button on the screen. So I'm just taking a little bit once again, and I'm just gonna prime my face. This is not actually a proper primer, it's more like a moisturizing cream with primer properties, so it's okay. It's not like a proper pore minimizing primer जिससे आपका foundation केकी लग सकता है. Let the moisturizer and the primer set in. तब तक मैं इसके पैकेजिंग के बारे में बात कर लूँ. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's the classic beige and white color packaging which has like a little bit of graffiti over here, and it says K Beauty and Hydrating Foundation, and the things enriched with avocado and mango butter, it's written over here, and all what it claims is written over here. It retails for 1200 rupees. I am in the shade 130Y medium. Over here it's written over here, and also नीचे भी लिखा है, so that's a good thing. It looks like this. It's open up like this, ऐसा खुलता है. It has like a sponge sort of a thing which I've never seen in any foundations. जो भी मेरे पास जो मैंने जितने भी खरीदे हुए उसमें ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं है. And this is the baby right over here. I just love the packaging. It's that, you know, that class satisfying types of packaging. And the second satisfying thing is that it has a pump. If I see a foundation with a pump, I am just going to go and just going to get that foundation, because pump, a glass jar and a perfect foundation is just okay. So I'm just gonna take this product on the back of my hand. For starters, I'm gonna take 1.5 pump. So this is the consistency, how it looks like. It's not that thick, it's not that thin, it's medium consistency. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna take this product on my brush, and I'm just going to start blending. I feel the puff. It's a very nice match when it comes to the shade. मैं बहुत हमेशा मतलब मेरी एक प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं बहुत गलत हो जाती हूँ और I just screw up when it comes to choosing foundations online, but I feel I did a very good job right now. So telling about the foundation, it claims that it's a medium to high coverage foundation, but I feel it's a low to medium sort of a coverage, because if you guys can see, my acne is showing up and a little bit of darkness over here is also showing up, which is something a medium to high coverage foundation doesn't do. And इधर थोड़ा भी जो है, इधर भी जो थोड़ी रेडनेस है वो भी थोड़ी उठ के आ रही है. So I don't feel it's a medium to high coverage foundation. It's a low to medium sort of a coverage foundation, which is something that I personally like on my skin. If you're someone who's looking for a high to medium sort of a coverage type of foundation, obviously you can build this product up. But right now I am really happy with how my skin looks like, only with one pump, and I used 1.5 pump on this side of the face. So okay, so this side of my face is done, and you guys can see, if you guys can see, the dewiness is still there because of the primer, which is good. But talking about the foundation, this is the video is about foundation, sorry. So telling about the foundation, it claims that it's a medium to high coverage foundation, but I feel it's a low to medium sort of a coverage, because if you guys can see, my acne is showing up and a little bit of darkness over here is also showing up, which is something a medium to high coverage foundation doesn't do. And इधर थोड़ा भी जो है, इधर भी जो थोड़ी रेडनेस है वो भी थोड़ी उठ के आ रही है. So I don't feel it's a medium to high coverage foundation. It's a low to medium sort of a coverage foundation, which is something that I personally like on my skin. If you're someone who's looking for a high to medium sort of a coverage type of foundation, obviously you can build this product up. But right now I am really happy with how my skin looks. Liking the foundation on this side, you can make out on the screen, like look at this and look at this. So I'm just going to take a little bit more, about the same amount. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, if it comes out like this. I'm gonna dampen this. 1 second. I'm gonna take my Fix Plus. I'm just gonna spritz it and damp this sponge. I'm gonna take the product and I'm just gonna start blending over here as well. Okay, so this is how the foundation looks like with the beauty blender, and to be honest, I can't really make out a proper prominent difference. अगर देखा जाएगा तो this is the brush side, you can see the coverage that is given over here, and this is the the beauty blender side, you can see the difference over here. It has not shown any particular so much prominent difference. The thing and the coverage and everything looks the same, and I really like the foundation. But पता नहीं मुझे क्यों, but it's starting to get a little itchy under my eyes over here on this patch right over here. I don't know why. Okay, so talking about the foundation, personally I am in love with the look that it has given. It has given that nice dewiness and it doesn't feel that heavy on my face. It looks like skin and it feels like skin, which is something that I personally like. As I told you guys earlier, if you're someone who's looking for a high to medium sort of a coverage, ये आपको थोड़ा build up करके आप उसको बना सकते हो वैसा प्रोडक्ट. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है कि एक लेयर से तो भी सेम फिनिश आने वाला है, बट मेरे हिसाब से मुझे पर्सनली ऐसा लेयर ज़्यादा पसंद है rather than having a lot of foundation on my face. So I'm just gonna complete my makeup using some concealer, compact and my eyeshadow and everything. I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm done with my makeup look, and if you want to see this makeup look right over here, I've already done a video which is my 15-minute go to glam makeup look. अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो I will have it on the I button on the screen, so you can go and check that out. But talking about the foundation, to be honest, I am in love how my skin is looking. It's looking very natural and बहुत subtle लग रहा है. It looks more like my skin, and I have not used highlighter उतना that I do on to normal basis, but you can see the dewiness, you can see the hydration, and it feels very light on my skin, which is something I personally love when it comes to foundation. So overall I give this foundation a 10 out of 10 and a very big thumb. Okay, so with that we finished the complete video. I would really love the foundation, and I would really suggest you getting your hands on this foundation as soon as possible, because these babies get out of stock very fast, and it's a very good foundation. If you're someone who's looking for a foundation which is hydrating and looks and feels like skin, this is something you should go for. So with that we complete the look and the review. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you know what to do. You need to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave the comment section if you like the video or no. All the product details with all my social media handles link in the description for you guys to check that out. And yeah, with that we finished the video, and I love you guys so freaking much. I will see you guys in my next video next week. Till then, take care, be safe, and bye.